Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome in Hijazi News Update. I am Badar Hijazi. Elevate 3.0, a flagship initiative of CXO Global Forum, brought together leading corporate executives, technology experts, investors, policymakers, academics, and industry professionals for 2 days of high-level dialogue on Pakistan economic transformation and digital future. The event featured 10 major panel discussions, keynote addresses, experts presentations, a fireside conversation, and multiple award ceremonies. Key areas of discussion included investment, digital transformation, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, smart infrastructure, cloud computing, sustainability, and technology export. The first day focused on investment and Pakistan economic future, beginning with a panel discussion titled Local Best Global Investors Who Will Shape Pakistan Economic Future. The session examined ways to attract, retain, and strategically deploy investment capital while strengthening the country's technology and economic ecosystem. A subsequent session on unlocking capital in infrastructure and mega project through REITs, organized under REITs Academy Pakistan, explored the potential of REITs as a mechanism for mobilizing capital for infrastructure and large-scale development projects. The program also featured a presentation on the digital transformation of audit, governance, risk, and compliance, followed by the event's inauguration and keynote address by Honorable Bilal Saqib, Chairman PVARA. Cybersecurity remained a major theme, with experts discussing the importance of strengthening Pakistan's cybersecurity preparedness as digital infrastructure and technology adoption expand. Mark Kelly, Managing Director, ReSecurity, also delivered a keynote on the evolving global cybersecurity landscape. The first day further examined artificial intelligence under the theme AI and the technology shift, defining Pakistan digital future, alongside discussions on the convergence of digital platforms and smart integrations. Day 2 opened while keynote addresses by Rana Masood, Ahmad Khan, and Usman Shokat, President, Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce, followed by an award distribution ceremony. The day featured discussions on smart infrastructure, governance, security, institutional accountability, and Pakistan long-term infrastructure requirements. Speakers emphasized the importance of developing infrastructure capable of supporting the country's future economic and technological needs. The event also highlighted Pakistan's IT export potential, with Dr. Irfan Ahmad, CEO of .com Arabia, delivering a keynote focused on positioning and communicating Pakistan's IT capabilities in international markets. Another major discussion explored data centers and cloud infrastructure as foundational elements of Pakistan's digital economy, while the concluding thematic panel examined the role of IoT, agri-tech, and ESG in building a smarter and more sustainable Pakistan. Elevate 3.0 concluded with a keynote address by Faisal, Jeddy, CEO, Pakistan Software Export Board, followed by an award ceremony recognizing individuals and organizations contributing to Pakistan's corporate, technology, and economic ecosystem. Across 2 days, Elevate 3.0 provided a platform for meaningful engagement among public and private sector leaders, technology professionals, investors, entrepreneurs, academics, and industry stakeholders. The event highlighted the needs to connect investment, innovation, infrastructure, digital transformation, governance, and human expertise to build a coherent national growth strategy. With Elevate 3.0, CXO Global Forum reaffirmed its role in bringing senior decision makers together to exchange ideas, challenge conventional thinking, and explore pathways for Pakistan's economic and technological advancement.